Hi, good afternoon. This is Keith. Hey, I just want to share with you today. I like going on Kickstarter and stuff. I'm one of those guys looking, I'm into innovative stuff that has not made it to the market yet, And I found this one product. It's called Hooptie. It's a waterless car wash. Okay. It's a spray, it's a product type of thing. And you have to wipe it down with these special rags. But I found this on Kickstarter, and let me show you what I'm talking about here. I wanted to share this because, all the different products that you have to use to clean your car, you need the soap, you need this, you need that. You need all of these products, and that can add up. That can be expensive, $50, $60. But here with Hooptie, right here, you just need the bottle and these rags, and your car is going to turn out. See, and it also, you don't have, all the hazards that go into the water, So, we have enough problems with our waterways to begin with. So it's great for that. And there's a video, and you can find out and all kind of pictures on that. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. It has a lot of benefits, if you have a small car, you're good. If you have a larger car, it's going to probably take you a little bit of time, but I look at the positive on it because, if you need a little exercise, it's great for that too, you know what I mean? Because some people, sit around and, I get lazy. We all get lazy. Well, maybe not everyone, but majority of people can be. So I just wanted to share that and get it out to, so everyone could check it out. Thanks, and have a good, what's today? Rest of the day, Sunday. Bye-bye.